Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get thank you card for free for the Sanrio characters Rainbow Cottage event and Heartopia X Sanrio update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open up this menu to go to the Sanrio characters Wonderland event. Then you're going to select this event, Sanrio characters Rainbow Cottage. And if we want to get the thank you card, we need to have this item, furniture fair food. And to own this item, we need the hard diamonds. And the hard diamonds are not free. We need to purchase it first. And this is the rules and probability. Each support requires one furniture fair food and grants a thank you card. Okay, but don't worry guys. You can still obtain the thank you card for free with your wishing stars. So just go to the exchange store and then you're going to scroll down and you will see the thank you card here. And you can purchase it with 3 wishing stars. So just click on this menu and purchase it and you'll obtain the thank you card. And what is the function of this thank you card? It says can be redeemed for Sanrio characters Rainbow Cottage furniture in the events exchange store. Okay, so just go to the exchange store if you want to redeem it, and we need at least 10 thank you card to purchase this one, this Kuromi rock or the cinnamon roll rock. Yeah, for the rug, it only costs 10 thank you card. Okay guys, and that's how we can obtain the thank you card without the diamond hearts, hard diamonds in Heartopia X Sanrio event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!